Hey y'all, today I'm showing you a quick and simple bug repellent spray. You'll need some distilled water, some witch hazel, some essential oils. I'm using citronella, eucalyptus, cedar, and lemongrass, a small measuring cup, and a spray bottle, preferably glass if you have it. If not, I got this plastic one from the dollar store. Clean and sanitize your spray bottle. I'll be making my mixture directly in here. I'm using the measuring cup for the distilled water and also the witch hazel. You want to make sure you have equal parts of both, so it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Next, I'm adding in my essential oils in no particular order, as long as all 4 of them make it in there. So I'm adding about 7 to 8 drops of each. Again, it's the eucalyptus, the cedar, the citronella, and the lemongrass. If you want, you also have an option to use lavender or like a peppermint or spearmint essential oil as well. Once you've added all of your oils, give your spray a good shake and it's ready to use. This should hold at room temperature for 2 to 3 weeks and about a month if you keep it in the refrigerator. But hopefully you'll be using it, so it won't even last that long. All right, y'all. Please like and share the video and subscribe for more creative content. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.